In a courtroom filled with tension, Keanu Reeves found himself facing an unexpected fino, not for an acting role, but for something deeply personal, wearing a cross. The judge, strict and unyielding, had deemed the religious symbol inappropriate. In the courtroom, imposing a fine that stunned Keanu and his legal team. But what seemed like a simple penalty soon unraveled into something far more profound. Keanu TM's calm demeanor and legal brilliance soon came to the forefront as he challenged the fine, exposing the Judge Crow TM's misunderstanding of constitutional rights. What followed was a masterclass in legal strategy and quiet resilience, turning the courtroom drama into a powerful defense of freedom and personal expression. How did Keanu turn a seemingly unjust fine into a remarkable victory? The Judge Crow TM's fine took many by surprise, casting a shadow over the courtroom as whispers spread about the unexpected penalty. Keanu Reeves, known for his calm and collected nature, did not react with anger or frustration. Instead, he calmly signaled his legal team to step forward. Together, they began to challenge the fine by citing constitutional protections for freedom of religion and expression. Keanu TM's team meticulously pointed out how the judge and Tim's ruling contradicted established legal precedents. The judge, initially confident in his decision, was soon confronted with detailed arguments and evidence that questioned the legitimacy of the fine. As the case progressed, it became clear that this was more than just a dispute over a symbol. It was a fundamental issue of rights and respect. The courtroom buzzed with anticipation as Keanu prepared to deliver a legal defense that would stun everyone present. Keanu TM's legal team, guided by his unwavering determination, presented a compelling case that highlighted the importance of religious freedom and personal rights. They meticulously referenced constitutional law, previous landmark cases, and the fundamental principles that protect individuals from discrimination based on their beliefs. Keanu himself remained composed, his calm presence lending strength to the legal argument. The judge, faced with the weight of undeniable facts, struggled to maintain his earlier stance. Keanu TM's defense was TMT just about overturning a fine. It was a broader statement on the respect for personal expression and the limits of judicial authority. The courtroom watched as the balance of power shifted, with Keanu TM's quiet brilliance illuminating the flaws in the Judge TM's original ruling. The stage was set for a pivotal moment that would redefine the understanding of rights within the courtroom walls. The judge attempted to regain control, insisting the fine was justified, but Keanu TM's legal team was prepared for every objection. They demonstrated how the Judge TM's ruling not only infringed upon Keanu TM's rights, but also set a dangerous precedent that could affect countless others. With calm precision, Keanu TM's attorney argued that courts must uphold constitutional freedoms above personal biases or outdated protocols. The judge, increasingly unsettled, realized that this case was not simply about a cross. It was about preserving the principles of justice and equality. The courtroom became silent as the judge reviewed the evidence and legal arguments, the weight of the truth pressing down upon him. Minutes later, in a decision that surprised many, the judge revoked the fine, acknowledging the validity of Keanu TM's defense. The courtroom erupted in quiet applause, recognizing a victory not just for Keanu, but for the rights of all individuals. The Judge TM's decision to revoke the fine sent shockwaves through the courtroom and beyond. Keanu TM's quiet strength and legal brilliance had triumphed over an unjust ruling. The victory was celebrated not just by his supporters, but by advocates of constitutional rights everywhere. Keanu, known for his humility, used the moment to emphasize the importance of standing firm for one or Tim's beliefs while maintaining respect for the legal process. The case quickly became a symbol of the fight for religious freedom and personal expression, inspiring many to defend their rights with courage and dignity. Media outlets hailed Keanu TM's composed handling of the situation, showcasing that true power lies in resilience and respect. This courtroom battle, once thought to be a minor dispute, had become a landmark moment in the ongoing fight for justice and equality. In the days following the courtroom victory, Keanu Reeves' Ahon TM, stand for religious freedom, resonated far beyond the legal community. Social media erupted with support, as people praised his calm and principled approach to what could have been a contentious issue. The case sparked renewed debates on the balance between personal rights and institutional rules, encouraging many to reflect on the importance of upholding constitutional protections in everyday life. Keanu Reeves' example became a beacon for those facing similar challenges, showing that quiet confidence and unwavering dedication to truth could prevail even against powerful opposition. His victory also prompted discussions in legal circles about how courts handle expressions of faith, leading to calls for clearer guidelines that respect individual freedoms. Keanu Reeves' influence, though subtle, was profound, reminding the world that the fight for justice is ongoing and requires both courage and grace. Keanu Reeves' courtroom triumph became a defining moment in the ongoing dialogue about religious freedom and personal rights. His composed and articulate defense inspired lawmakers, activists, and citizens alike to take a closer look at the ways institutional policies intersect with individual liberties. Legal experts cited the case as a crucial example of how constitutional protections must be upheld, even when they challenge traditional norms. Meanwhile, Keanu continued to quietly advocate for justice, using his platform to support causes that champion human dignity and freedom. His role in this case solidified his reputation as not just an actor, but a principled figure willing to stand up for fundamental rights. The reverberations of his victory echoed far beyond the courtroom, encouraging a broader movement towards respect and equality for all. The impact of Keanu Reeves' legal victory extended beyond the courtroom, influencing discussions in educational institutions, legal forums, and public policy debates. His example was used to teach the importance of balancing institutional authority with individual rights, emphasizing respect for personal beliefs in public spaces. Communities rallied around the message that no symbol of faith should be a cause for punishment or discrimination. Keanu Reeves' quiet resilience inspired many to stand up for their beliefs while maintaining respect and dignity. His victory became a beacon of hope, illustrating that legal battles fought with grace and determination could reshape societal norms and foster greater understanding. The story continued to inspire advocates worldwide, reminding them that courage and calm resolve are essential in the fight for justice. Keanu Reeves' TM victory sparked a wave of awareness about religious expression rights, encouraging individuals from all walks of life to assert their freedoms with dignity and respect. Legal scholars referenced the case in discussions about constitutional rights, while activists used it to advocate for broader protections in various public institutions. The case became a cornerstone for movements seeking to balance societal norms with personal liberties. Keanu Reeves' humble yet firm stance served as a reminder that standing up for one's beliefs does not require confrontation, but can be achieved through calm, reasoned advocacy. His example inspired a generation to approach their own struggles with patience and integrity, reinforcing the idea that justice is best served when pursued with grace. Keanu Reeves closed the chapter on this legal battle with a profound message. For respect for one another, TM's beliefs is the cornerstone of freedom. We must protect the rights that allow us to express who we are, without fear or punishment. His words resonated deeply, inspiring many to embrace tolerance and understanding in a divided world. The courtroom victory stood as a testament to the power of quiet resilience and unwavering faith in justice. Keanu Reeves' legacy as a defender of personal freedom extended far beyond the case, reminding us all that true strength lies in standing firm for what is right with dignity and grace. Please subscribe channel for Keanu Reeves. Respect. Thanks.